Hello, guys, and welcome back to this amazing channel, Geeks for Geeks Practice. And this is Abhinav. First of all, please confirm that if my voice is clearly audible and I'm clearly visible to you all. Hello, sir. Hello, Risit. Hello, Amar. Hello, yes. How are you? And let's start with today's session. So, just please tell me if I'm clearly audible and visible to you all so that we can continue with the class. Okay, just a minute. Just opening that chat in the phone. Great, great. Hello, hello, Nakesh. Hello, Arvind. Hello, Sri Hari. Hello, Anonymous. Hello, Amar. Hello, Amar. Okay, great. So let's start with today's class. So today's my exams are running. Okay, all the best. Make array elements it unique. Okay, so the problem statement is something clear. Okay, let me explain the problem statement to you all, and we will continue like with the next things. Okay. Hmm. Great. So yeah, I'm saying what to learn after code Java. It depends on your interest, Rosen. Your interest. Yeah. So the problem is that make array elements unique. The problem is very clear. That like we are given an array ARR of n elements. Your task is to find the minimum number of increment operations required to make all the elements of the array unique. That is, no value in the array should occur more than once. In an operation, a value can be incremented by one only. Okay. So we are given with an array ARR of n elements. Your task is to find minimum number of increment operations required to make all the elements of the array unique. So basically, क्या है कि you can increase the array elements by one, and by increasing them, you have to make the array unique. Okay. So then check for that exactly. Okay. So, guys, what we can do here? Okay, so it is saying that we have to make array elements should not occur more than once. Okay, so we can just increase the elements. We can't decrease the element. So when we're increasing the element, that means the value will be increased. So the minimum element will be the minimum element. It can only be increased. Getting if I'm not clear, let me explain it to you. Like let's say the values are let's say these are the values. Okay. So if these are the values, if I'm saying increase the element, increment, that means we can't decrease. Like if in this array, the minimum element is one, minimum, okay, this is minimum element is one. So it can be only increased. Like if I will increase this, it will become two. It will become, I cannot make minimum element zero. No, getting. This is the first point. So the thing is that we can not decrease, we can just increase the element. So what I will do, how I can compare that how many non-unique or duplicate elements are there. So guys, whenever we have to like discuss the duplicate elements, like how many, like there are three twos, okay, like this is the first two, second two and third two. So whenever we are talking about these duplicate elements, we always learn about one thing that's huh. Hello Gaurav, hello. Hi Gaurav. Yeah. So then we always check about one thing that uh, either it is sorted या तो आप array को sort कर दो. After sorting, the unique elements are adjacent to each other, or you can use map. So I don't think that map is required because we don't want number of duplicate elements. So what we can solve this array. We can solve this array. So after solving, it will become 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, and 5. So two mentors in the house, like Gaurav and Yes. Hi, thanks for joining. So yeah, this 1, 2, 2, 2, and 3, 5. So uh, now what we have is we have to just make elements unique. Okay. So I'm saying that I have a 1. The first element is the 1. So it's fine. The first is 1, obviously. Okay. Now let's come towards the second element. Getting? Just also see the movement of my hands. Okay. This plays a very important role. How the movement of my hands are. Okay. How you can use, you will, please don't use among the two hands. Okay. Two loops, because two loops will get PLE. Okay. Yeah. So see this. If I'm saying the first element is 1, the second is like 2. So if they both are equal, that means they are uh, duplicate elements. Getting? This is 1. So 1 is a single. We will basically start from the second element. So like we will start from here. Yes, okay. So देखो, अब ये second element है, तो ये वाला element इससे बड़ा है. It is greater than this first element. It is greater. So it's fine. Equal तो नहीं है ना, या छोटा तो नहीं है ना, बड़ा है. छोटा भी नहीं है, बड़ा है. It's fine. ठीक. Let's move forward. Next is 2. It is equal. We can't have equal elements. We can't have equal elements. So we will increase it, because we can only increase, we can't decrease it. So we will increase it. So I will make it like 3. Okay? It is not 3. Now the next element. Next element is again less than the previous element. That is again not allowed. Exactly. It can be smaller, like this. In this case, Nakas, you can see it. It is smaller now. It is not smaller, okay? Getting. So now it is smaller. Again, we'll make it greater. So like here it was plus 1 was done, like 2 to 3. Now a plus 2 will be done, and it will be 4. Okay? Now it's fine. Again it's 3. We want to make it greater than 4. So it's again plus 2. Again it will be like 5. Yeah, plus 1 because we want to greater than 5. So again it will be 6. Now it's fine. You can see all are unique elements. They all are unique elements. So whenever we are increasing it, whenever we are increasing the value, then it's become like a sequence. How exactly? Because previously it was 3, na? Now we have to make it 1 greater than the last element. Like if you will see here, if I will go back, here we were having 3. Here we were having 3. And previous was 4. So means at least we have to make it 5. At least 5. At least 5 plus 2. Exactly. Yes, yes. Inputs may differ, but we are sorting, na? Okay, so yes is making my work easier by explaining. Thanks. Yeah, so let's take another example. Yeah, can you give me a array, for example, please? Okay, so there are two. Like रिसिप्ट जो है आपने भेजी है दैट्स ऑल ऑलरेडी हैज यूनिक एलिमेंट्स, तो इसमें तो कुछ होगा ही नहीं आई थिंक, है ना. अमर एंड वरुण बोथ आर सेम, अमर और वरुण लगभग दोनों सेम ही है. सो लेट्स टेक द फर्स्ट वन जो पहले भेजी है अमर ने. 1 3 4 5 6. सी दिस इज ऑलरेडी सॉर्टेड, ये पहले से सॉर्टेड है. अदरवाइज अगर नहीं होगी तो हमें इसे पहले सॉर्ट करना पड़ता. Yeah. After that, so its first is 1. Okay. First is 1. So next is should be greater than 1. It's 3, it's fine. Next should be greater than that 3. It's 4. It's fine. Okay. It's 4, it's fine. Next should be greater than 4, but it's not greater than 4. So we'll make it greater than 4. We'll make it 5 by adding 1. Next is 5. We want it greater than 5, means 6. So it will be add 1. And here also we want it greater, it will add 1. So 3 is the number of operations required. Okay. So now let's focus more on the code part. Okay, I have already written the code. So first of all, let's take a long log int answer. Okay, which is 0. Now, so that clear has two meanings. Like if you are saying example is clear or clear, so clear has two meaning. Like whatever I'm teaching is clear, you are not getting anything, or your doubts are clear. Okay, so when you are saying clear, so that's two meanings basically. But I hope that its doubts are clear. I hope. Okay. Yeah. So it's long int answer is equal to 0. Uh, that's the thing. हम लोग क्या करेंगे? First of all, we have to sort arr dot begin arr dot end. Okay. Now this iterate will iterate from 1, obviously. Okay. We will iterate from 1 and fine. Okay. After that, हमें चेक क्या करना है कि जो नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट है that is greater than the previous element. What I was saying कि जो नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट है वो प्रीवियस से बड़ा हो. So I'm just, let's say I'm making it on this example only. So like it is already sorted. Okay. इसमें मैं थोड़े से conclusions कर देता हूँ. Like इसमें एक काम करता हूँ कि let's make it like this. Okay. So yeah, it's fine. Okay. So first of all, we are at 1. So 1 तो हमने लिया नहीं, we are starting from 1 only. Okay. So सर 1:30 तक कानपुर पहुंच जाएंगे, बट मैं कानपुर में ही नहीं हूँ अभी. सो आई कैन नॉट कम टू वेलकम यू, सॉरी. सो या यहाँ पर आते हैं और तो अब अगला आता है. ठीक है. सो द फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज दैट ARR of I should be greater than ARR of I minus 1. So if this condition is satisfied, means if ARR of I is greater than its previous element, if the next element is greater than its previous element, so that means it's fine. Like मेरी लोकेशन जाने क्या करोगे? ठीक है, उसके बाद सेकंड, प्लीज गाइस डोंट राइट +1। हाँ, सो पर अगर ऐसा नहीं है, लेट्स से कि वो लेस देन इक्वल टू है, तो हमें इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। सो लाइक देखो, इस केस में तो वो ग्रेटर देन है, तो इट्स फाइन, हम लोग आगे बढ़ सकते हैं, ठीक है। पर जब वो अगले केस में आएगा, तो वो ग्रेटर देन नहीं है, दैट्स नॉट ग्रेटर। लेट्स सी, क्या मैं लिख रहा हूँ कि इफ ARR of I is less than equal to ARR of I minus 1, okay, so because if it is greater, it's fine. If it is less than equal to, then we have to do the operations. What operations? Let's see. Okay, so the next operations are that I am having is हमें इंक्रीज करना है, तो कितना इंक्रीज करना है। सो लाइक इस एग्जाम्पल में क्या था कि वी वर हैविंग लाइक, यहाँ बात करूँ इस वाले पे थोड़ा बेटर था, है ना। सो हम लोग उसको सॉर्ट करते हैं, लाइक 1 2 2 2 3 5, ओके। तो हमारे पास यहाँ पे 1 था, next was 2, greater than 1, it's not fine. Next was again 2, so again 2 is not fine, so like 1, then we have to take a 3. How 3? This should be 1 greater than that 2. So basically what we want, so I'm writing here int want. Want means what we want. So currently the scenario is that our current element is less than equal to our previous element. What we want, currently our scenario is that our next element is greater than our previous element. But what I want is that our next element should be at least 1 greater than the previous element. So I have taken a variable called want, what we want. What we have, what we have is ARR of I. ये हमारे पास है, या एग्जैक्टली। सो हम लोग ये आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो लाइक वो करके, बट आई एम सेइंग व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस। सो व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस एंड योर रियलिटी। एक्सपेक्टेशन इज ARR I minus 1 plus 1, दिस इज योर एक्सपेक्टेशन, होता है ना एक्सपेक्टेशन वर्सेस रियलिटी वाले वीडियोस। एंड हैव इज व्हाट यू हैव, व्हाट्स योर रियलिटी इज ARR of I. सो डिफरेंस क्या होगा, तो डिफरेंस विल बी वांट माइनस हैव, कि what you want and what you have, the difference is that value, and that difference is the number of operations you want. Like यहाँ पे difference 1 था, तो हमने एक ऑपरेशन किया, इसको 3 कर दिया। यहाँ पे देखो हमें इसको 4 करना है, क्योंकि प्रीवियस 3 हो चुका है और अगला 4 है, तो +2 करना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पे डिफरेंस हो जाएगा 2, ठीक है। और जब हमने डिफरेंस ले लिया, हम लोग इसको आंसर में ऐड कर देंगे। एंड ऑल्सो हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि जो हमारा जो ARR की वैल्यू है, वो हम लोग हमारी जो रिक्वायर्ड वैल्यू है या हमारी जो डिजायर्ड वैल्यू है, हमारी जो एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू है, उससे उसको इनिशियलाइज कर देंगे कि हमने इतना डिफरेंस ले लिया, लाइक वी हैव टेकन दिस मच ऑफ डिफरेंस, वी हैव incremented this much of time, so we have now initialized it with 1. I hope this should work, right? Means obviously I'm not sure. Okay, what I'm writing, I'm doing C out, simply return. So yeah, it was like just a logical problem. You have to just think of it. The implementation is very easy, you can see. So the implementation part was easy. If we talk about the space and time complexity, guys, so space complex is not there. As you can see, we are not using any extra space. Space complex is constant. Time is there. Like time is, we are sorting, so we can say that time is n log n. This is the time complexity, but space complex is something which is constant. Please rotate it. That's the thing. And that was the problem, guys. Means you can. By the way, if you want these amazing gigs for gigs goodies, you can continue solving this problem of the day, and you can earn geek bits. And using that geek bits, you can also earn geeks for gigs goodies. So currently, I'm not wearing, like, I have that hoodie here, but here it's very cold, so I'm not wearing hoodie. It's a jacket. That's better. Okay, you can get that hoodie. You can get you can get a t-shirt or a bag. ओके सर मैं रोज सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ हाँ तो यस आपको जल्दी मिल जाएगी गुडी आई होप कि आपको जल्दी आपकी टी शर्ट मिल जाए सो great guys I hope that it's fine for today it yeah for those who are solving आपको मिलेगी obviously so be excited like have a interest in this problem of the day we are working hard for it like we are like the problem setter team is working on creating the problems we are working on providing the solutions at 12 like okay uh, gfg is working like to post it and different other campaigns are there for you guys providing goodies okay that's too free of cost everything is free so you can just participate with some interest share that with your friends okay oh great we have got a t-shirt great naked great. Yeah, so like we are always happy to serve to like to give or give back to our community. Fine. So it's great, guys. Thanks for joining today's live. I hope it was a great problem and you all have got it. Keep solving this problem of the day. Let's meet. I think on my next video, my next live will be on Saturday and Sunday. So let's meet on Saturday with the next problem of the day. Till then, good night. Have a good day for tomorrow. Happy coding. Keep solving. जीएफजी कर लो हो जाएगा